And you know you had a warrant for your arrest.
But that's something minor, though. That's something that I can just deal with and get out the way.
It is minor until you're in jail.
We're in Louisville, Texas for a failure to appear hearing. 45-year-old Alicia Allen has been charged with unnecessary use of a horn. 2 years earlier, police say Allen, a food delivery driver, pulled up to a four-way stop sign directly behind a marked police vehicle. That's when Allen honked her horn at the officer, a civil infraction. She was issued a citation and ordered to appear in court. But when Allen failed to show on multiple occasions, a warrant was issued for her arrest. Today, she appears remotely before Judge Brian Holman to plead no contest and discuss next steps in the case.
Alicia Allen?
Hey, Judge.
All right, Miss Allen, looks like you have just...
I already know I was doing Uber DoorDash that day, and we were at a four-way stop, and I honked at a cop. And I think she was having a bad day because she wrote me a ticket.
Wait. You honked at a cop?
Yes, I honked at a cop. I just thought people were going slow at the four-way stop.
But you honked at a cop.
It was a four-way stop. She was taking too long.
Well, and then you failed to appear in court.
Because I didn't remember.
And you know you had a warrant for your arrest.
I just figured that out last week. But that's something minor, though. That's something that I can just deal with and get out the way.
It is minor until you're in jail.
You go to jail for honking your horn?
No. You don't. You go to jail for failure to appear in court. Unfortunately, Miss Allen, your fine increased significantly.
What is it?
Now it's $499.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Well, what do you want to do?
I don't want to pay $500 for honking a horn. Tell your officers stop having bad days.
You can either pay the fine or you can do community service, but I'm only going to do the community service.
What is that? Not really up for that.
Well, that's up to you.
I'm trying to do the best that I can, but paying is not an option for me right now.
I think, Miss Allen, you misunderstand the circumstances.
No, I don't think you understand my end. I didn't do anything wrong other than honk my horn, and I want to do community service or do
no contest, and your fine of $499 is due within 30 days.
Okay, but I don't want to pay y'all, sir.
Oh, I'm clear on what you want. And I'm clear of...
I don't think you are. And you got way hostile with me, but dang. I was going to call you a cool judge too, but what the hell happened? But
hey,
anyway,
Miss
that's
Allen,
what I'm
you are in court right now. If you continue to act this way, I'm going to hold you in contempt of court.
Act what way?
You know, Miss Allen, you're...
What's going on?
Yeah, Miss Allen, I'm going to ask that you just stop talking just for a minute. I don't want you to get in trouble by saying something you shouldn't say.
I have to go to jail.
The judge seems to have had enough. He mutes Allen's mic and moves to end the hearing.
I'm resetting your case. Ms. Allen, what are you waving at me for?
Case for? Because I can't talk. What are you resetting my case for?
Ms. Allen?
What are you resetting my case for?
Ms. Allen, I'm done with you. You'll need to appear in court at this point.
For what?
You need to appear in court at this point. I'm not going to deal with you on this through video anymore.
Sir, I'm just trying to get to the bottom of this case.
If you interrupt me again, I'm going to hold you in contempt of court.
Are you serious, bro? Allen has failed to appear in court or pay her fine. The original warrant is still active. The case is pending.